Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a glowing text in DaVinci Resolve in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. First, navigate to Effects Library. Then, go to Titles and drag the text onto the timeline. Then, go to Inspector panel and type your text. Here, customize the font, size, and color, whatever you want. Hold Alt and drag the text layer above to duplicate. Then, go back to Effects Library and search for Gaussian Blur and apply it top text layer. Under the Inspector panel, increase the blur strength until you get a sulfur and glowing effect. And that's it. You've just created a glowing text in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.